I'm gonna show you the best app to use to pause your camera here on the iPhone. First, you go to your apps, and what you want to do is go and hit your search button and search for pause cam. Just start typing pause cam and it's gonna pop up. Once you click on it, this is what it looks like right here. So you can just go ahead and hit get or open, and this is what it's gonna look like. You hit this button right here to start to bring up the camera, and down here at the bottom to start recording, you hit that button right there and it's gonna record. So while you're recording, maybe something happens, somebody come in all the time and interrupt you, and what you want to do is pause the video. Just hit this button again and it pauses the video. As you can see, it's 12 seconds up there as pause. And I'm gonna show you something else. If you want to reverse the camera, or maybe you just want to continue, the reverse button is right here. Just hit it and it's gonna reverse it on yourself. So you may want to record something right here. So you hit that button again and start recording. So once you finish, hit it again and pause. And what you can do from right here, you can go in this top right corner and hit this little check button. And now what it's gonna do, it's gonna give you a preview of what the video is gonna look like. You can pause it down there at the bottom left or whatever. But if you like it, what you're gonna do is go to the top right corner. See, it's still showing a preview I'm showing you right here. But just go to the top right corner and hit this share button. Once you click that, it's gonna ask you if you want the original. I'm gonna take the original, or now that's when it asks you to purchase it. And it's worth it. I've had it for a few months. Just pay the $1.99 and purchase this. And it's gonna take you through the process, entering your ID or password. And I've tried everything. I've tried other apps, and this is the best app I've seen for recording, especially for what I do. So I get interrupted a lot and I have to pause. I want to pause the videos, but I couldn't, not with the iPhone. So I have to start a new video. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like once you purchase it. You click it open right here. We're gonna go through the process. You click the record button down here. Start recording. You look there at the top. You see the countdown. It's recording now. So somebody come in. Okay, so I want to pause it. Hit that button. Once I pause it, you see up there, it's still at 7 seconds. So I'm gonna hit that. You saw I hit the reverse. And then I start recording again.
Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Hit the pause button. And you can pause this at any time you want. It's just showing you a preview of the video you just shot.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
So I'm gonna hit the pause button and I'm gonna go here to the top right and I'm gonna share this. And you can share it in its original form. You go to YouTube, Instagram, but I'm gonna save mine to my camera so I can decide what I want to do later. So hit save to photos. Once you do that, you can just close it and you go to your photos right here and it would be saved in your photo. If this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.